Wait, another one hatched?
What if I
It looks like it's. It looked like it was
Okay,
dead.
guys. Hop out of the road. Some people have to say.
Oh, too bad. I'm gonna record them fighting. Oh, they look so cute.
Is it clear
I think so.
for y'all?
I can see it.
Yeah, I can see it.
I can see it.
They're so cute.
Damn, it's not even. Charles and Puff.
Look at that big Formulana.
What the world? Look at Charles. Oh my God, he's so cute. Charles, get your phone out of my face.
Oh, Lord.
Oh, look at Puff.
Yeah, I'm videotaping it. Oh, another one detached.
You just realized that.
Don't record
I don't
me.
want you.
Oh, golly. Another one
Look,
hatched.
Charles.
I gotta see if it look right, because y'all in my way.
I could have named you a star. No way.
Oh,
Candy.
you've been here for
It looks tired.
I just got here. There's another one.
It looks dead. Seriously.
Why is it moving if it's dead then?
It's
No,
not.
it looks like it's not healthy. Wait, is that one climbing in
killed
the
the
air?
baby.
That, if you did that,
They're jumping all over it.
you could see it if you did that. Miss Lewis, you just need like, Miss Lewis,
Them.
you need to cover right here because when you do this, you can see it. If you were to, yeah, like that, it's like a lot better.
What is wrong with him? Oh, that black one killed it. The black chick killed the chick. My lights way turned it off. Look at Nelson. My light is high. Will it hurt them if I light someone? I can. Really?
Ooh, buffalo.